Students, let's start with topic connective tissues. Connective. So introductory part, we have discussed what is connective tissues. So connective tissues is just most abundant and widely distributed tissues of the body. Most abundant and widely distributed tissue of the body. What exactly is connective tissue? कनेक्टिव टिश्यूज जो रहते हैं ये कनेक्ट्स करते हैं, कनेक्ट्स डिफरेंट टिश्यूज और ऑर्गन्स. ठीक है, कनेक्ट्स करते हैं डिफरेंट टिश्यूज ऑर्गन्स को, और इट ऑल्सो प्रोवाइड सपोर्ट टू वेरियस स्ट्रक्चर्स. सो व्हाट डज दे डू? It connects different tissues or organs provides support to various structure, or you can say it bind, support and anchor the body. So it is the function of connective tissue, and it is mesodermal in origin. 3 germs layer we have discussed in animal kingdom: ectodermal, endoderm and mesoderm. So it is mesodermal in origin. Mesodermal in origin. So what are the examples of connective tissues? Connective tissues actually is blood, bone, cartilage, aerial tissue, connective tissues, tendons, ligaments, they all come under connective tissue. Okay, so it is mesodermal in origin, bind, support, anchor and widely distributed. So it is important, it is mesodermal in origin. Okay, and what connective tissue basically, this I have told you. Now next come to components. So two major components, it has two major components. Two major components. First is cell secreting fibers. Cell secreting fibers, and these are cells, मतलब वो cells जो कि fiber secretes कर रहे, कौन से? Collagen and elastins, and these are two: collagen and elastins. तो उसके दो कनेक्टिव टिश्यूज के टू मेजर कंपोनेंट्स क्या हैं? सेल सिक्रेटिंग फाइबर, वो सेल्स जो कि फाइबर सिक्रेट कर, कौन और क्या होते हैं वो दो? कोलेजन एंड इलास्टिन्स. ओके, सो दे ये मैट्रिक्स कॉन्स्टिट्यूट करते हैं. नेक्स्ट, cells secrete modified, cells also secrete this cell, Okay, they also secrete, ये जो सेल्स है और क्या सिक्रीट करते हैं, मॉडिफाइड पॉलीसैकराइड। ओके, तो ये सेल्स और क्या सिक्रीट करते हैं, मॉडिफाइड पॉलीसैकराइड्स। and it is basically constitute, क्या बनाते हैं पॉलीसैक्रिसाइड्स, ग्राउंड टिश्यू। व्हाट इज ग्राउंड टिश्यू, ग्राउंड टिश्यू इज मैट्रिक्स, that is matrix, ground tissue means matrix, and the most common mucopolysaccharide ground substance is hyaluronic acid. The most common polysaccharide ground substance is hyaluronic acid. So this is about the composition, we have discussed too much. Okay, but exceptional case is there, blood is without fibers and ground tissue, blood is without fibers, blood is without fibers, and ground tissue is water. So in connective tissue, blood is only without the fibers, and where it is found, connective tissue, in between other tissues, they are found in between another tissue. Now next come to the classification. Now come to classification. This page ये नहीं हो पाएगा, let's go to back. Okay, classification. First, it is divided into three on the basis of how they are arranged loosely or compactly. CT here means connective tissue. Okay, loose connective tissue, dense and specialized. In this, cells are loosely arranged in matrix, and it is of again two types, areolar and adipose. Dense connective tissue. In this, fibers and cells are compactly arranged. Tissues becomes dense. Tissues become dense. It is again divided into dense regular, dense irregular. Regular, the fibers are arranged in proper manner. Dense, irregular, okay. On the basis of fibers, it is again divided into two. White, fibrous, yellow fibrous. Why they are? Because of collagen. Because of collagen, it is white. And yellow fibrous because of elastin fibers. Example is tendon here. Tendon. And here example is ligaments. Okay. And dense irregular, they are mostly collagen. Mostly collagen, and they are below skin. Now come to specialized. It is again divided into four. Vascular or fluid connective tissue, that is blood. Here ground tissue is watery. It is divided into blood, lymph. Ground tissue is more watery. Ground tissue is more water. So blood and lymph, this is blood. And skeletal, it is again divided into bone and cartilage. Bone and cartilage, this you have heard. And bone is divided again into two. Structure of bone we will discuss. Cartilage, hyaline, fibrous, and calcium. So we will discuss areolar and adipose. Okay, blood we will discuss, lymph we will discuss, and bone, structure of bone we have to discuss, cartilage again we have to discuss. Okay, so this is all about the connective tissue.